There's the... You're alright.
Second time this week.
You just twatted your head straight up. It's the hole you made me go through. Thank you.
Yours truly.
Yep.
And you survived.
For once, this... Oh, you poor
knees.
jeans. Oh, hello. Did you know there was a crawl here?
Yeah, I wouldn't do it if I were you. Doesn't look quite right.
I'm gonna go in a bit further. Just don't stand on the rock above me.
I'm not very nasty.
Oh, Christ. Well, that happened. Get off my face. These may kill me if I go further down, so I'm going to leave that there. Oh, it's a vein. Not entirely sure what of, if anything. Oh, spar, floor spar, I think. There. Oh, really good fossils. Nice. I see why they dug this. They followed this vein all the way through. Right in all the rock. All above my head. There's some really nice fossils. Might be chert actually. Might be a chert mine. Ain't got a Scooby. That's a nice, another little split off underneath myself again. I shall be heading back.
Damn.
Looking through the footage.
Okay, yeah, sorry, just curious. Are we doing it?
The bed for the night.
What's up, Leo gang?
God. Here we are.
You've got your thingy, haven't you?
Thingy? Oh yeah, the sleeping bag's in the bottom of my bag. I'm not taking that out yet.
Oh, I should have done that.
I'm leaving it out until I want to go to bed.
Oh fuck, I should have done that. I'm just going to get dripped on now. I'll put it back away in a moment.
Alright, it's pee time. We have to go out. I've been banished. Oh, trying not to get too lucky. We're supposed to cover this up. This is a door. Oh. I've just swished my knee straight through the pool of water and then stuck my foot in it. Wonderful. I'm gonna have a wet foot the rest of the night. This feels a bit dumb. I like abandoned buildings because you just could be in and out. I'm not doing all of this. It's a bit of a faff, isn't it? Oh well. Pee time. Oh, that goes far up. Room number 2. That's a solid slab of lime stone along that side, and then chamber here. That's not creepy at all.
Holy shit! Holy shit! But that is the living room ornament then, I guess. It means a lot of people coming here.
Makes sense, the door's wide open.
So there's a little bit of a shaft up there. There's a bit of air coming out there as well. Now the rest of the mine, actually, we will explore it, but towards the end it can get quite gassy.
Holy
so
shit.
It's not much worth risking our life down there.
Oh, you're right, it is a shaft. And it carries on.
You want to go in?
Yeah.
Go in?
Are we? Okay, well. Don't laugh at my technique.
I'm laughing at your ass.
Oi! I just need myself in the face. Okay. Goes to a bit of a crawly section. Down some rocks. It's all very calcitey. Looks like it's insulation. Oh, I'm slipping. Oh, ickle fossil.
Fossil?
Perfectly intact.
Oh Christ, now I have to go in. Well,
It's wonderful.
I'll come off you soon. Bye. Man disappears into the hole.
That's suddenly got much wetter. Whoops. Now my back is entirely wet.
I would probably not risk it. You don't want to get wet for the night.
Oh wow. Okay.
You want to get as least wet as possible.
Oh, whoa. Okay, well, interesting.
What?
Oh, fucking hell, how deep does that go below me? Holy shit.
Sharp.
Yeah, and I'm stood on top of it.
Come back.
Okay. Just a quick update, we did move the sleeping spot.
And we changed the candles.
Sleeping right in the middle. Well, this is a good night. And farewell till the morning. Oh, we started to pack away. Start to pack everything. It's 10:30 in the morning, isn't it? Yep. It's 10:30. It's very cold. Putting back on cold clothes. Wet clothes. At least we have the candles. Ah, yes.
Just spent approximately 17 hours in a cave, and just as a follow-up, don't try and do this, okay? We're trained, we know all of the precautions to stay safe in a cave, and we're going to clean up everything after. I'll see you next time. Stay safe.
I can't see shit. Fuck this hole. My booty keeps getting stuck.